Samsung new top-mounted freezer. By utilizing 5 RPM speeds, the Digital Inverter Compressor makes precise adjustments to the cooling performance based on daily refrigerator use and temperature levels. The voltage control helps you to stably run the refrigerator under any voltage. The MoistFresh Zone keeps the vegetables fresh. The antibacteria protector enables the refrigerator to remain fresh and clean at all times. The Easy Slide helps you take out food stored deep inside. The Movable Vegetable Box enables you to change the height of each partition according to your usage. The multi-storage basket lets you store cosmetics or condiments separately. The Big Guard helps you store larger bottles. The Easy Access Dispenser helps you to easily drink water and refill with bottles of water. The Cool Pack keeps food fresh even during a power failure. The automatic Ice Maker makes ice using water from the dispenser. The Ice Max allows you to expand the ice box as much as you'd like. The top LED lights up the inside of the refrigerator. The recessed handle allows you to easily open the door anywhere. Life changes, but your fridge can stay the same. Samsung new top-mounted freezer.